brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the AC belt tensioner on this 2005 Volkswagen Jetta. And the items you'll need for this is a 15 and 17 millimeter socket and ratchet, T25 Torx bit, an M10 12-point bit, flat blade screwdriver, torque wrench, and jack and jack stands. Now using your pick, remove these caps. And for one of these lug nuts, you're going to have to use a key, and the key can be found in your trunk with the spare tire. It just inserts into that special lug nut and then removes the same as the other lug nuts using a 17 millimeter socket. And if you have air-powered tools, you can raise your vehicle, then remove the lug nuts. If you don't, loosen the lug nuts while the vehicle's on the ground, then raise and support the vehicle and remove them the rest of the way, and then your wheel will pull free. Next, you want to remove this panel, and it's held in with a series of T25 screws. There's also a few of them down here. And we'll just fast forward as Mike removes those. Now you can pull this panel down. Pull down the front first and then it slides out. Now using a 15 millimeter socket and ratchet, just put it on the tensioner and pull back. And pull the belt off this front pulley. And release the tensioner and pull the belt off this pulley. Remove the 15 millimeter bolt on the tensioner. Now you can remove that pulley, and then using your M10 12-point bit in the appropriate socket size, and in this case I think we use a 13. You just want to loosen up and remove that bolt. Now your tensioner will pull free.
It's a larger tab and a smaller tab. Larger tab goes up here, smaller tab down here.
And we'll fast forward as Mike replaces that M10 bolt and tightens it up. And then replace the pulley and the bolt that holds the pulley into place, and just tighten that up. Put your ratchet back on the tensioner, tuck the belt onto that larger pulley, then pull the tensioner back and put it onto the front pulley. And release the tensioner, and then just replace that panel and all of the screws and tighten them up. Now replace your wheel, and you'll realize here that lug nuts are a bit easier than lug bolts, but you just have to try to hold the wheel in place while you put a lug bolt through. And you want to just balance it on the hub, and eventually the bolt will line up and push in. And then you just want to tighten those up preliminarily, and replace and tighten up each of those, then lower the vehicle and tighten them up the rest of the way. And now torque each of these to 100 foot-pounds in a crossing pattern. And replace your lug nut caps.
Thanks for tuning in. We hope this video helped you out. Next time you need parts for your car, please visit 1AAuto.com. Also check out our other helpful how-to as well as diagnosis videos.